Well. Here we go. Have the traction control on. Wow, this is so bad. Change lanes, fuck. It's okay. These tires aren't worth shit in the snow, fuck. Jesus. You know what? I'm gonna go home, fuck. Fuck this. Isn't that fun, brothers and sisters? I got the light. Holy shoot, man. These tires aren't so great. Well, I already knew that. I'm just having fun with it, I guess. See if I go off on first gear. Yes, second gear. Traction control, like turning it off. I wanted to go to the mall, fuck. I want to give a good counter steer, but maybe in the parking lot. Get a fucking ticket, fuck. Second gear, fuck. Stop sign. That's what I'm gonna do. Traction controls doesn't stop complaining. I'm going to the parking lot for some donuts. There's a police, I'm gonna get in trouble, fuck. Where the fuck are you going? Dick face. You're dick faced. You're dick faced. I could have some fun with it, but not a proper counter steer, you know. Not a proper turn. I wanted to go to the mall, but to go for a walk in the mall, but it's just gonna get worse. Just going to get worse. Do I have room to go through? Yes. You're all the way to this side of this car. You're all the way to this side, brothers. Sisters. See how first does. Not very well. I have to come in here anyway, so I can't play around anymore. Some the peoples are terrible drivers. I'll sort of stop this now. Sort of. I want to give some donuts, but you know, I don't wanna get in trouble. Door didn't close yet. Oh shit. Ah. Okay. Bye-bye. Have fun. Proper slide would be in order. Anyways, I don't take any chances when I give it a proper counter steer, but I'll turn off the traction control, dynamic stability control, and have some fun with it. Cheers. Bye-bye.